teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is I need a cell phone. Do you have a cell phone? For whole or for a while? I think of course, then why should not need? Yep, our valued listeners, I need this cell phone maybe for some time. When I want to run as fast as temper and do. The fastest man who jumps high over the fire, burns tight down under the trees. I need it again when I want to clean the teeth of my talking Tom. The pet is my cell phone. Hello my appreciating fellows. I also dream that I am many gold coins be the richest man of the world, which I may collect in service suffer. In addition, sometimes I want to talk with Siri, who answers the every question comes in my mind and never replies, I do not know. Hi spectators, I am more overwhelmed to take photos and keep my memories in my hands. I want to enjoy cartoon movies that has been do not have to the power supply at home. My respected chief guest, I am only 7. The reason why my parents do not allow me to have cell phones because they want me away from Facebook, WhatsApp. However, they actually do not let me ask what they do on Facebook and WhatsApp and all that stuff. Yes, my lovely audience. Sometimes I need to separate from the head of my mom and dad. Sit it up and getting a cute look at book of my face and wishing to ask me what's up baby. This is Muhammad Abundance all from my side. Thank you.